Hello kids, so today I'm going to show you how to hand in this assignment or basically how to complete this assignment. Okay, so when you open this assignment, you will see that in your work section, you have this assignment with this Google document with your name. So you just have to open this Google document. Okay, so when you open this Google document, it looks somewhat like this. Okay, there is a question written over here that browse the internet and search 7 oceans in the world. So we have learned how to browse internet, right? Open a new tab, open a search engine on that new tab, maybe a Google, maybe Yahoo, maybe Bing, MSN, any search engine, and search for 7 oceans in the world. Okay, you have to write names of those oceans over here one by one. Okay, suppose I'm writing a few names like Atlantic Ocean, then we have Indian Ocean, so on and so forth. Okay, so these are the names of the oceans. You can also write down first something like this, then then the bullets will come automatically. Once you're done writing names of the 7 oceans in the world, what you have to do is read this note. Once you are done writing the names of the oceans, make a copy of this document and rename it as oceans. Okay, so we will click on this file option, file menu, and we'll make a copy. There is an option to make a copy. Make a copy and rename it as oceans. Okay, so we will remove this name and write oceans over here, and then make sure that the folder that you are saving it is in my drive, and then click on OK. This will create one more document in your drive called as oceans. Okay, now once you have made a copy of this document, you have also renamed it as oceans. Next, what you have to do is in the answer section, that is over here, okay, add 2 lines for each ocean. Now when you are searching for 7 oceans in the world on Google or Yahoo, you will get many websites. Open any one website and search, add 2 lines for Atlantic Ocean over here, add 2 lines for Indian Oceans over here. Okay, so on and so forth for all the 7 oceans. You just have to add 2 lines for each ocean. Any 2 lines of information. You can state where the ocean is. You can set some facts about the ocean. Only 2 lines, only 2 sentences. Once you are done adding 2 lines for each ocean, you come back to this activity. Okay, now you see in the your work section you already have the first document. Okay, now you have to add this oceans document also over here. So you will click on add or create, select Google Drive option. Okay, and in this search option type oceans because that's the name of our file. Okay, so in the search option type oceans and the document gets added over here. Okay, once you see both the documents added, click on hand in button. They will ask you whether you want to hand in your work. Check whether both the documents are correct and click on hand in. This is how you are going to complete this activity.